got the family out. About to install a water line to the chicken coop and run. Got my brother on out here. Nah, she at home. She got off last night.
Y'all better watch out. Thomas is YouTube. I'm warning all of you. He's a YouTuber. he be like walking around like he ain't doing that. When you see that phone go up like that,
that's my speed, though.
Huh?
That's my type of speed, though.
I heard you. Document though. That's good. I'm telling you something. Document. You got another 20, 30 years from now. You be glad you did. You gotta do some work. Give me that pillow thing I'm laying on too. I wish I had a documented. Well, we didn't even have stuff like that. We didn't have that, like all these phones and stuff. Okay.
Well, even growing up, you didn't realize the importance of
that too.
Of video, pictures, even pictures and stuff.
Why you didn't know the importance of it, because didn't nobody have that. Nobody had no pictures. You know, your grandmama Ethel had pictures on her coffee table. That was about the only pictures that anybody knew about. People, there no cameras. I remember real good. A man came to the house, mama house, and took pictures of us, and that was strange because we ain't never had nobody come do that. You ready wrong? Yeah. You saying that ain't wrong?
That one, yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Wow, that's good. That was juicy right there, buddy. It was really juicy.
progressing a little bit. We were short on the PVC, so I went and got a 3/4 of an inch. But we already got it buried on this end.
Thomas, you gotta take the rest of it because my mind right now is hungry. If your mind ever get hungry, boy, you forget. You just forget. That's what it is when you forgetting stuff. Your mind hungry.
You hangry.
Huh?
Hangry.
Angry.
That's what they call it.
I'm angry.
Thomas, you might go at 90 miles an hour down there. Make some money off of it. What you I'm waiting on until I'm about to order. I'm gonna say, go get the jackboot.